Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director. Now, I know a lot of you guys are asking in the comments every time we do a skincare video, help, I don't know which order to use these products. So this video is all about how to take your skincare routine and build from the beginning to the end and all the steps that you would want to do in order on how to use the product. Now, it's important to remember that you don't have to do all of the steps that we talk about in this video, but you can do more of them if you'd like. So really, it's really about finding the routine that works best for you. So if you ever get really confused and you want to know how to use your routine specifically, I would defer back to your beauty advisor. That's going to be the best person to really connect the dots for you. But this is an overall arching view of what a general skincare routine would look like, and again, the order of which you would use the products and why. So first up, we have our cleanser. Now, it's really important for you to cleanse the skin because that removes any debris or dirt that may be settled into the skin that can actually wreak further damage on the skin itself. It's also really important to remove those impurities because they're going to make the products that you apply later work even better. They will help to penetrate even deeper and really deliver those ingredients where you need them to. So first up from Fresh, we have the Soy Face Cleanser. Now this is a really great general cleanser for all skin types. It's really multi-purpose. It actually even removes eye makeup, which is awesome. It's really important for you to use a cleanser morning and night. I know a lot of people don't think that it's really that great idea to wash in the morning, but actually a lot of dust and debris settles on the skin while you're sleeping, crazy thought. And actually you want to remove that to start as well. It's also a really good idea to start with a clean, fresh canvas so that way you know exactly what you're starting with when you go in with your skincare routine. So next up is the toner step. So really the goal of toner is designed to tighten the pore and reset the pH of the skin. So for that we have Caudalie. This is the Beauty Elixir. Now this is really cool. This is a spray format toner. So you have a lot of different toners that you'll see in store. Some are in like pour bottles. This one's really easy to use. You literally just spritz it on the face. And it's formulated with rosemary and a lot of essential oils that help to tighten the pore and give you a clean, fresh start. So that way when you go to put in your moisturizers, they're gonna penetrate even deeper and give you all of that hydration that you're looking for. Now, if you're using one that's a pour over, it's a really good idea to put it on a cotton pad or a cotton round that you can easily just swipe over the face, and then you wanna allow that to fully dry before you move on to your next step. So next up is going to be a new category that people are living for in the skincare community, and that's essences. Now, essences are lightweight hydrators that oftentimes help your serums and your moisturizers pull in deeper to the skin, giving you more hydrating benefits. So this is a great essence from SK2. This is the facial treatment essence. Now this one's really popular in stores. We have a lot of people that love and swear by this product. This one's been around for quite some time as well. I've used this one myself for several years now. So this one's infused with patera, which is a biofermented ingredient, which is really great for sort of an antioxidant protection. It kind of gives the skin a beautiful glow and really renews the skin and gives you that boost of moisture that the skin really needs. Now this one's really easy to use. You want to use 5 to 10 drops in the palm of your hand. And I'll take that and sort of move it in between my two hands. Warm it up, and then start pressing where my skin is usually the driest. So for me, that's in between my eyebrows, on the tops of my cheeks, and then I also like to push a little bit into my beard because my beard gets kind of dry. And then with whatever's left on my hand, I'll take my full palms and press them softly on my face. So this is gonna prep our skin for the next step, which is serums. So next up is the serum category. Now serums are kind of like that in between a water and a moisturizer. It's almost like a jelly-like texture. Now these are really great for delivering a lot of potent actives. Think of this generally like the muscle behind your skincare routine. They tend to bring a lot of active ingredients that bring great change to the skin. Now this one from Peter Thomas Roth is the Potent C Power Serum. Now we've talked a lot about the benefits of vitamin C on this channel, so you know it's really great for brightening, lightening, and tightening the skin. Now this one's gonna be formulated with a 20% C-THD ascorbate complex, which is really potent vitamin C that's super stable, stays in the skin for a really long time, and you get maximum benefits of the vitamin C. Now when you use a serum, it's really easy to do. What you're gonna do is take 1 to 2 pumps, Again, sort of split that between the pads of your 4 fingers. That's what I like to do anyway. Sort of like split it between these 4 fingers here and slowly start to massage that into the skin. Massage, press, again, right on top of that essence. And what you'll notice is that since the essence is underneath, the serum tends to set really quickly and sort of sink into the skin really beautifully. It almost encourages it. So nice. Next up, of course, one of the most important areas of the face and one never to neglect is the eye area. It's really important to incorporate an eye cream into your routine daily because it's one of the first places to show the signs of aging, and you want to stop the clock. It's a lot easier to stop it than it is to turn it back, right? A cult classic eye cream that I love to recommend to clients is from Shiseido. This is the BENEFIANCE Wrinkle Resist 24 Intensive Eye Contour Cream. Now this one's a really dense, balmy cream that's really great for the eye area because it leaves a lot of moisture. It's formulated with a lot of anti-aging ingredients that are gonna help to firm and tone that under eye area. I actually like to put my eye cream on after my serum and before my moisturizer because I feel like it's easier, it prevents me from putting too much moisturizer closer to my eyes. It kind of creates almost like a barrier in the eye area. Also, too, you want the eye cream to really be able to penetrate deeply and to deliver the results that it needs to for that delicate area. So the way I like to apply it is take about maybe a pea size or the grain of rice on my ring finger. Now we talk about the ring finger a lot when we're applying eye creams because it actually has the lowest amount of muscles in the entire hand. So it's gonna deliver the softest application. You wanna be as delicate as possible in the eye area. So I'll take a little bit on my ring finger, split that to the other finger, so we kind of like split it between the 2 fingers. And then you can press it right along the orbital bone. So what I want you to do is sort of feel your bone structure. You'll sort of feel that sort of high plane of your cheek and then up into the brow bone. This one's really cool because you can use this one 360. All right, so next up is moisturizer. Now I know some of you are already like, wow, I already have a lot of moisturizer on my skin already, but there are those of us out there that need it. So again, you can stop as you feel like you're getting the hydration levels that you need in the skin, but it's really about listening to the skin. Now, a moisturizer is really important to incorporate into your routine because a lot of them are designed to give moisture throughout the day and night. So really to give you time-release moisture that your body is needing throughout the day as fuel. So this one is really great for the routine that we have listed here because this one is from belif. This is the True Cream AQUA Balm, and this is gonna be really great for a lightweight gel hydration. So since we've already put a lot of moisture in the skin already, maybe we opt for something that's a little bit lighter. Now, I really love this one for all skin types, but especially for those that are combo to oily because it's a gel texture. Now, that's really key when it comes to finding the right moisturizer. You wanna find one that really feels comfortable on the skin and delivers you hydration throughout the day, like I mentioned before. This one is infused with a whole bunch of beautiful botanical herbs that kind of deliver those hydrating results throughout the day. Now, when you're using a moisturizer, it's really up to you how much you want to use. I use typically about the size of a pea to a dime, depending on how dehydrated my skin is feeling that day. But again, always listen to your skin and really try to figure out what your skin needs for that particular moment. That's it. You know the final answer. No skincare routine would be complete without SPF. It's really the most important step of your skincare routine. You have to protect your skin from the environment around you. It's important to remember that your skin is an organ and you want to make sure that you're preserving it in the best way you can. One SPF that I love and that I have recommended multiple times on this channel is from Supergoop. This is the Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. Now, I really love this to close off the skincare routine because it's almost like a bridge product between your skincare and your makeup. This one is a lightweight, translucent SPF that looks amazing on all skin tones and all skin types, which is gonna create a beautiful barrier between your skincare and your makeup. So basically, another added benefit of this product is that it seals in all of the ingredients and the good for you products that you put on before and protects that from the makeup that you're gonna apply after, a lot like what a primer would do. Now, this one is gonna help with shine control and leaves a really velvety smooth finish, so that way when you go to apply your makeup, it glides on smoothly. I love this product. Okay, so there you have it, the steps to an easy routine and the order in which you would apply the products. Cleanse, tone, essence, serum, eye cream, moisturize, SPF. It's as simple as that. I know it seems like a lot, but again, it's really about building a skincare routine that works best for you. So I really encourage you to take those quizzes, go into those stores and talk to the beauty advisors, talk to your friends and see what's gonna work best for you. If you want more recommendations, we're always here for you. So definitely drop that in the comment section below. If you have questions, I'm here. I'm always scouring the comments and dropping my faves for you guys out there. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, be sure to do so. You're missing out on amazing, juicy content like this. And as always, we'll see you next time. Ciao for now.